Home gutters need to be cleaned oftentimes as they are the main pathway for rainwater to drain. Avoiding this chore will cause leaves and debris to pile up in the gutters, which will result in water spilling over the brim. So in today's video, we'll show you the 5 best gutter cleaners that you can use to clean those gutters. So without further ado, let's get started.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Get rid of all the stubborn, hard-to-reach debris in your gutters with the Easy Flow Gutter Cleaning Kit, an ideal gutter cleaning solution that provides substantial reach to catch the height easily. The pole of this kit telescopes between 6 and 15.1 feet and can reach up to 22 feet combined with your body height, which is more than sufficient for reaching the gutters of most homes. Plus, it's made of quality industrial-grade aluminum for long-lasting durability and has foam grips on the handle that enhances user comfort. Apart from that, the high-pressure nozzle of this kit can blast away all the leaves and debris from the gutters in seconds, while the adjustable metal valve lets you control the water flow. Additionally, the deluxe kit also includes 2 additional brushes, one gray medium stiff brush for decks or patios, and one blue medium soft brush for windows, siding, vehicles, etc. Overall, this Easy Flow will provide a convenient reach to all the hard-to-reach gutters and will make them perfectly clean whenever you need it. Next up, we have the Gutterense cleaning tool, a lightweight gutter cleaner that has durable construction yet takes minimal labor to clean your gutters. This gutter cleaner tool features large polycarbonate tongs that spread up to 14 inches to ensure a wide grasp. It also features 2.5-inch wide paddles. You won't have to use any water to get your gutters clean as it works great with dry and lighter leaves. Plus, this tool easily fits on a regular extension pole or threaded broom handle. On the other hand, the tongs run flat in the gutter even if the pole is slightly tilted. So add this Gutterense cleaning tool to your collection and keep your hands unscathed and feet on the ground to get an ultimately convenient cleaning experience. Now get your hands on the Gardena Combi System Gutter Cleaner, a double-sided cleaning solution for persons of all heights with the most wobble-free connection. This Combi System Gutter Cleaner has a flexible telescopic handle that offers a comfortable working height of up to 5 meters, meaning you can easily clean those places where you can't reach without a ladder. Plus, you can easily adjust the working angle individually with the quick release system, while the integrated water connection will let you clean perfectly whether it's wet or dry. One of the unique selling points of this gutter cleaner is its stable connection that will let you work without any jiggle and get the best outcome in seconds. Combining flexibility and reach, this Gardena Combi System Gutter Cleaner will bring a convenient and error-free solution for your gutter cleaning every weekend. Make gutter cleaning a breeze with the Guttermaster GM Cur Classic, a lightweight yet super strong gutter cleaner that has quality construction and is built to last for years. Made of anodized aircraft-grade materials, its aluminum pole provides long-lasting durability and can be extended between 5 and 12 feet. This gutter cleaner has a built-in high-pressure nozzle with a standard threaded tip that easily fits most attachments, and the easy twist collar locks the wand to the desired length. It also features a standard garden hose connector with an adjustable valve, allowing you to easily attach it to regular garden hoses. Plus, the foam comfort grip assures maximum ease of use without any fatigue or hand pain. To sum things up, if you're dealing with annoying gutter cleanings regularly, then get yourself this Guttermaster Telescopic Gutter Cleaner and keep yourself well going. Eliminate all the ladder movements or climbings and get the Joe SBJ6GA, the most reliable gutter cleaner on the list with exceptional lifespan, compatibility, and efficiency to get rid of gutter clogging leaves, dirt, and debris. You can easily attach this gutter cleaner with PVC tubes and extend up to 15 feet long to keep your feet firmly attached to the ground with proper safety. Plus, the gutter cleaner includes an adapter, tubes, and U-nozzle while providing a full assembled length of 90 inches. Apart from that, the pivoting tube of this gutter cleaner directs airflow through your stack of leaves and specks of dirt to remove them in mere time. To conclude, this Sun-Joe gutter cleaner is a sturdy and versatile solution for all the homeowners to keep them away from an unsteady stepladder or dangerously hanging from the downspout. So that was the list of the 5 best gutter cleaners just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.